High plank pose, horizontal squat drive to push up. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. And please watch the video to the end without missing my instruction to tell you how to use this exercise for your training. This exercise will work for your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, lower back, and your legs. If you're doing this fast, will help you burn fat more easily. So, stay focused. Let's get started. Get into a high plank position, making sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your toes. Check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. This is starting point. Now take inhale, following by exhale, push yourself and move your body to back. Keep your palm and shoulder in the straight line, keep your head with your shoulder. You are now on horizontal squat position. You are feeling your shoulder and legs now. Hold this position for stabilize your body. For beginner, you can let your knee down. With this position, take inhale again, following by exhale, drive your body lower to front and bend your elbow to lower push-up position. Make sure your chest is not touching the floor. Hold this position and make sure your both hand and chest are in the same line now. Now, take inhale, following by exhale and do 1 rep push-up. Now you are back to high plank position, starting point. This is 1 rep. Now do the same thing, then repeat for as many repetitions as you have selected. This exercise is good for full body and cardio training if you do it fast. When you're focused on the move, you might find yourself holding your breath. Please, remember how to breathe. Check my moving, I am do this exercise move for faster. My workout routine for this exercise is 20 reps by 10 set and rest 10 to 20 seconds between sets. How about you? Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below. Please share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel. Thanks.